crawl your heck up to kill anybody.
Hey, you know what? At least I'm not puking.
Oh man.
Fuck.
It sounds like you're strangling a dog.
It does. It does. I give you that.
Yeah, you're supposed to count out loud, like 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Start over.